There she is.
No.
Well, hello, fellow tubers. It's Clark Griswold here. So we got a hurricane headed here for Florida. Am I taking it seriously? Yes, definitely. Am I that worried about it? No, we've been through 3 here. But I figured I'd take you on a run of the things that go on, you know, the day before. So what we got to get done here is we got to get the swings in and put the pontoon boat up on shore, lock all that down. We have to take the sail shades down and cover the main picture window. And Aiden's out back just getting the debris that could become airborne from behind the trailers and stuff, you know, old golf cart rims and stuff where the kids have had their projects and just kind of dumped it out there. Giving the old generator a little tune-up, changing the plugs, getting her ready to go. So I'll check back with you periodically and let you know how things are going, and when the crap hits the fan, we'll keep you posted. All right, Clark Griswold checking in. So we got our first feeder ban. It wasn't very long. It was about I don't know, 15 minutes. Put in quite a bit of rain, but not bad. Street's running pretty good, but as you can see, we got the canopies down. We actually tied that one off and put it in front of the windows, and it's got a steel beam that goes down the bottom of it that keeps it from moving. Got the generator all tuned up, ready to go. Took the swings down. Yeah, water's flowing a little bit, but not bad. Like I said, that was our first feeder ban. This is my concern right here. Big dumpster, windows wide open, dumpster full, which makes nothing but debris. Lots and lots of debris that will fly out of the dumpster and become projectiles. But anyway, hurricane hasn't hit or anything like that, so my wife got a brilliant idea. Let's see how many monkeys we can give a bath at once. Hi, son. What's that little thing?
Shut up.
What are you doing with that?
I have more views than you. Shut up.
Oh, I got one monkey.
What are you going to do with one monkey?
Oh, Lord. I'm going to get another monkey. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Thank you. I got 2 monkeys. Is somebody going to close the cage for me? Look how gross you are. You can tell.
That's hot. That's really hot.
They like it like that, but I'll turn it down.
I don't think they like it that hot.
Do you see them complaining?
No, but I also don't see them all there. Cricket curtains.
I don't know, I still want them there. Come here, you. Look at the orange water coming off of you.
Dirty girl.
There we go. Oh, maybe you can.
Crescent moon. She's our middle. This is our old lady Cricket. Cricket, come on, baby. She seems a little intimidated by the camera.
Why are you hiding in the corner? Come here, buddy. You're not that at the camera. Come here. Come on. Come on, sit down. Why? The water coming down the... What? What? Nothing else. Wait,
I want to get a bath now.
I want to get a shit. Cricket. No, not the water. What's this? Did you wash it?
How's that, Cricket? Is that hot, Mama? I don't like it that hot.
Chris is backing up wanting more.
Just like her mama. Oh, look how dirty you are. Wait, dirty.
Literally brown.
Oh my God. We haven't had a bath in a while.
Crescent's fine. The water is fine on you. I'm dirty. I think you did the urine rub more. You get your puppies. Alright, next round.
Usually they're a bit more animated.
Fat belly. You don't have a fat belly. You have a skinny belly. You have a skinny belly. Wait, why are you wrapped up in... What are you doing? What are you doing?
Okay,
Dynamite. Look at Crescent just sitting on the faucet. There's his fault. Hey, Mama, don't take it
don't take
away.
my water.
Your sister wants some. Your sister wants some.
Oh, easy.
What? That's like the first time I've given a monkey a bath.
What?
I don't know, you're saying easy.
No.
Oh.
He asked if she could climb up on these things, and I said yes, very easily.
Oh, I thought you were telling me to go easy.
No, I'm not. You still got brown water coming off of this one.
Hey, you. I got this one. Oh, bless you. Hi, Jeremy. Oh, sorry.
Belly. I got dirty belly.
Okay.
I got dirty belly.
Get your camera wet.
What you doing, Billy? Get back.
Belly.
Whoa, look at that belly. It's a gorilla.
Alright, people around it. What happened?
What happened was
What changed?
you antagonized him.
Exactly.
I did not antagonize them. No, I don't.
Give me a monkey. Give me a monkey. But Dad, why are you standing there? Usually you're good for something.
I need your tail. I need your tail. Why did you get my way? Why did you get my way? I gotta get the puppies. I gotta get them puppies.
Don't get yourself present.
I gotta get them puppies.
She likes the soap, especially Mama's natural soap. It's good eating.
No, come here.
Oh, don't get in your eyes, goofball.
You're not getting more attention, Jimmy.
I don't care how natural it is. No soap in your eyes tastes good.
Cricket. Stop.
Come here, you. Okay. How are you? I'm around you. Hang on, your sister's getting in her eye. Come here, you. Your face. Your face.
There she is.
No.
There she is. Whoop, your sister's getting into something.
Your sister and sister's mom. They're all sisters?
No, Bernadette.
Or that's what?
It's her baby.
Are they all related?
No,
Which one's not related? Crescent. She's the only one not related.
that is correct.
So, Cricket, or
This is Crescent Moon. She is, how old is she, Holly?
I know who she is.
18? 19.
A YouTube bio.
She's 19 years old. She's
Bernadette's
23.
17, and she is 93. She's 23.
So she's 23, and then the little one, which is Bernie, is how old? Is Bernie 17?
She's a month older than him.
And we've had Bernadette since she was born. We've had Crescent since she was born.
6 weeks.
And we had Cricket
So she was 3.
since she was 2
2
or 3.
Put it on backwards.
Cricket, stop trying to get away.
This one's the easy one to diaper. This one is the easy one to diaper. Dad is a dream diaper girl.
Do they grow their fingernails?
Good girl.
Here comes the fun one.
Thread the tail.
She's been doing diapers the longest,
But Cricket.
but she just doesn't like it.
I'm gonna flip over upside down. I'm gonna push my feet over to the diaper.
And we'll scrunch everything
I'm gonna
together.
scrunch it all up.
102 pounds. I lost 3 pounds. I
Oh.
was at Mason's. I was 105.
Well,
It's a
scales are
scales.
different.
Oh, we're being a good girl. We're
Wow.
being a good girl.
Stay.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. What a good girl. What a good girl.
And that's how you give 2 monkeys a bath at once.
Oh, did you give your brother a kiss?
Dude, what the hell? I told you I was
Is you grooming your daddy?
Yes, there.
There's nothing in my ears, they're clean.
What do you mean Texas? Not in LA. Billy, tell him what they're mean to you.
That good?
Where? Here. If I say Billy,
What are you doing on the carpet?
you go.
You want some monkey? Go.
There.
Go.
And that's where.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. What you got for crazy face on? What you got crazy face on? What you doing?
You need the light. That's how you make us know.
Baby
We'll
boy.
get some of those outer bands, and maybe that outer eye, and that certainly could produce wind gusts of 5 miles an hour. Now remember, we think about a 60-mile-an-hour wind.
Sweet baby.
As the threshold for
My
knocking down
sweet
trees and
baby.
limbs. And like St. John's trying to get into the Atlantic, and now you have Matthew coming in.
No more beer.
Number 3, 5, 10, 12,
Well, this one over here.
This election. Hey, son.
Just a moon.
You can get past all the projectiles and the booing. Doing great. Okay, looks like the speech needed a little help. Let's roll up our sleeves. Let's do this.
Crescent moon. Is that yours?
Flared pantsuit?
Is that your beer?
Hugs, my friend.
Can I have it?
I think
Can I have it?
suit.
What?
No, Mama, I'm not done.
Can I have it?
I'm not done, damn it. Oh my God, so you're not gonna believe what happened here. It was crazy. It was just absolutely off the chain. And the worst thing that could ever happen happened. Yes, I lost my favorite palm frond. It fell right out of the tree. I mean, so basically that's a wrap on the whole Hurricane Matthew thing. Like I said, it wasn't that bad. They say it's gonna come back around. If it does, we'll keep you posted. But I'm not seeing it. But to everybody else that is in the wake of the storm, keep your head down, keep cool, help each other out, and we'll get through it. Griswold out.